Welcome to BSc Statistics students. In this class, we discuss uses of moments. What are important uses of moments? Moments gives many number of statistical averages, statistical measures. What are those? Firstly, mean, which is a predominant or most important statistical average, mean, which is calculated, which can be calculated from the moments, from the non-central moment, non-central moments about origin, that is mu1 dash, which gives mean. Moments about origin, there are two types of non-central moments about an arbitrary point and origin. It is going to be considered from origin. If you consider moments about origin, the first moment about origin mu1 dash, which gives mean. Similarly, another important statistical average is variance. These are the two important statistical averages, mean and variance. So the variance gives the second central moment mu2, which gives variance. Variance is provided by the second central moments about mean. So mu2. So mean is provided by first non-central moment about origin, and variance is provided by mu2, that is second central moment. And now further you consider the two another important topics are two another important measures, statistical measures, skewness and kurtosis, which are going to be calculated through the moments. Skewness, the coefficient of skewness is going to be calculated by mu3 square by mu2 cube, that is from mu2 and mu3, that is beta 1. So beta 1 it is going to be considered, it is going to be calculated by mu3 square by mu2 cube. Okay, so therefore if we consider the value of mu3, it provides, it indicates, because mu is always positive, of course the value is, it is also a positive value, it is going to be considered. And which provides mu3 and mu2, these are the two particular values provides measures of skewness. So moments also provides the measure of the coefficient of skewness. This is called coefficient beta 1, coefficient of skewness. The positive skewness, negative skewness, and which are going to be calculated for another and particular value. It is gamma 1, it is root beta 1. Gamma 1 is equal to root beta 1, from which you can specify positive skewness or negative skewness. If it is negative, then it is negative skewness. Positive skewness. It is positively skewed distribution. Zero symmetrical distribution. Like that we can identify which type of skewness it is. And then next is kurtosis, another important statistical average or measure, which is one kind of measure is known as kurtosis, and it measures the convexity of the curve, and which is also going to be calculated with the help of the moments. How? Beta 2, it is coefficient of skewness is beta 2, it is mu4 divided by mu2 square. So therefore it also depends on the two important moments mu2 and mu4. Coefficient of kurtosis depends on mu4 and mu2, so therefore it also provides kurtosis, coefficient of kurtosis or type of kurtosis also can be described with the help of the moments mu2 and mu4. And coefficient of skewness provides with the help of the moments mu2 and mu3. So therefore these are some of the important uses of the moments. Moments provides all these important statistical averages. Thank you.